Why should we teach U.S. history and sociology? Learning U.S. history and sociology helps students to connect with the past and understand how it has shaped the present. Teaching history social science helps to promote critical thinking skills and also creates a more educated citizenry. Sociology highlights the importance of understanding societal issues and presents solutions which encourage taking informed action. Taking informed action is part of the Dimension 4 guidelines. As teachers, we are preparing students to engage in civic life. Both disciplines help students to use evidence-based arguments in order to support their claims. Another aspect of Dimension 4 is being satisfied through communicating and critiquing conclusions. Finally, U.S. history and sociology provide students knowledge about other people's cultural upbringings, thereby promoting empathy and understanding. Our goal as history social science teachers is to educate, but also to inspire tolerance and to develop an empathetic lens through education. How should we teach using the Dimension 4 guidelines? Dimension 4 guidelines can be satisfied by teaching students to make claims and counterclaims by using multiple sources as evidence. These sources can include primary documents like speeches, letters, or secondary sources like books or articles. Demonstrate learning through writing essays, giving collaborative presentations, and assessing each other's work. Students will learn to critique claims made by various authors and their peers, which encourages them to analyze credibility of the evidence being used. As part of the C3 framework, students should be able not only to make their own conclusions using evidence, but also to critique others' arguments and explanations. This ultimately serves to deepen a student's understanding of history and sociology and helps to strengthen their own conclusions.